Your data warehouse is your source of truth. Data Connect keeps it that way, automatically syncing clean, structured Contentsquare data so your teams can focus on insights, not pipelines. Let's see how it works in just a few clicks. I'll start from the platform and navigate to Analysis Setup, then open the Data Connect tab. From here, I can select my warehouse: Snowflake, BigQuery, Databricks, Redshift, or S3. Once selected, I just need to complete the host name. I copy the setup function from documentation to create the database and hit Connect. No APIs, no ETL. Data Connect starts syncing immediately. Now, let's choose what data to sync. This is where I take control. I can pick and choose exactly what I need: sessions, frustration signals, error data. And if I add new events later, Data Connect syncs them retroactively. No pipeline rework needed. Now, let's jump into the warehouse and see what this actually unlocks. Here's where it gets powerful. With a simple SQL query, I'm combining Contentsquare session behavior, frustration scores, page drop-offs, error signals, with support data. Questions that were impossible to answer before, answered in seconds. I want to know how users with high frustration scores interact with support features. Results show how users with higher frustration scores are more likely to seek support, quantifying the business impact of user frustration. This is the kind of insight that drives real action. And if I work in retail or e-commerce, Data Connect goes one step further. Merchandising data is now available directly in Snowflake. With a ready-made dashboard built for category managers and e-merchandisers. I can easily select brands, categories, or products I want to analyze and take a look at their exposures, add to cart rate, conversion rate, cart abandonment, withdrawn rate, and revenue. Everything I need to run my weekly performance health check in one dashboard. With the trend view, I can track how key metrics evolve over time. And with the top 10 and bottom 10 views, I can instantly surface my best and worst performing products on any key metric. This is just the beginning. Merchandising is the first of many exclusive Contentsquare datasets coming to Connect. What if I'm not sure where to start? Our documentation includes a library of SQL query examples, from basic metrics like bounce rate and average session time to funnels, retention, attribution, and revenue analysis. Get inspiration, adapt it to my warehouse and data model, and start getting insights in minutes. One connection? Clean, structured, retroactive data. Endless insights. That's Data Connect.